Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different techniques by which you will be able to create cute little things out of few easy simple steps. Here first we are going to show you how we can trace around it to add the grass in the background. It looks so perfect. Let's move towards another activity. You just have to make the number 1 and the 2. After that you just have to join some circular shape and convert it into this cute little creature. This looks so easy. Let's move towards another activity. Here you just have to make this slanting curvy line. After that you just have to add some of these V-shaped things over it, then join them. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Once you are done with it, you just have to make some of the strokes towards the outer line. These are going to represent a cute small plant. You can repeat it again and again so that you can create the different pieces of this type of the Polony type, CD type look of this type of the plant. This activity is very simple and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. It's a little bit time consuming because some of the patience is to be invested here. Let's move further. Here we are going to show you from the number 3. We are going to convert it into a monkey, and this is very cool and easy, best suitable for the small kids. Thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned.